In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort horizontally by rows in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a project, analyzing statistics, or just tidying up your data, sorting your information efficiently can make a world of difference. Ordinarily, when we think of sorting in spreadsheets, we imagine arranging data in vertical columns. Google Sheets offers a similar feature for horizontal sorting, which is helpful for comparing data across various categories or timeframes arranged in rows. Let's begin by selecting the full range of data you want to sort. Make sure you include all the rows and columns relevant to your needs to ensure thorough sorting. This selection sets the stage for precision, as sorting errors often arise when the range is incomplete. Once you've highlighted your data, navigate to the Data tab located at the top of your screen. Clicking there will present you with several options for organizing your information. Look for the Sort Range option in this drop-down menu. After picking Sort Range, you'll notice the Advanced Range sorting options. It's crucial to delve into this menu for more control over your sorting process. Traditional sorting directly from the Sort Range menu sorts vertically by default. To shift this to a horizontal focus, you'll need to adjust a specific setting in these advanced options. In the pop-up that appears, you'll see a checkbox labeled Sort Left to Right. Checking this box changes the sorting method from columns to rows. This option is what allows you to sort your data in a horizontal direction. By enabling this, it lets you choose a specific row by which to sort your data, providing the flexibility to structure your information in the most logical or insightful manner. Now decide which row you would like to sort by. This could be, for example, row 1, which might contain headers or summary figures that hold particular significance for your data analysis. Once you've made your selection, look at the sorting order options available. You'll need to choose between ordering your data in ascending order, A to Z, which is useful if you prefer sorting from smallest to largest, or alphabetically from start to finish. Alternatively, if you want the data to go from largest to smallest or in reverse alphabetical order, select descending order from Z to A. Once you've made your sorting choices, confirm your selections and watch as Google Sheets reorganizes your data neatly into a horizontal order. This method not only simplifies your data viewing, but also enhances interpretability, particularly when comparing related datasets across various rows. So, to quickly recap, selecting your entire data range, using the advanced sorting options, enabling the Sort Left to Right feature, and choosing your desired row along with your preferred order can make working with spreadsheets a seamless and more interactive experience. I hope this tutorial helps you navigate through your Google Sheets with more confidence and precision. Thank you for watching, and be sure to apply these steps the next time you need to make sense of your data in rows.